Get ready. Start. I am directed to state that recently a case has occurred in which government had to suffer a heavy loss due to the department concerned having not taken prompt action in the matter. Full stop. In fact, the case was 5 years old when it came to the notice of government, and in the meantime, two of the officials responsible for delay had retired. Full stop. This is an extremely unsatisfactory state of affairs and must be remedied at any cost. Full stop. It is one of the elementary canons of financial propriety that a government servant exercise the same vigilance in handling matters involving government's financial liability as a prudent person would do to safeguard his own interests. Full stop. In this connection, attention is invited to the provisions contained in Rules 2 and 3 of Punjab Financial Rules Volume 1 read with Part 1 of Appendix 2 of Punjab Financial Rules Volume 2, wherein it is laid down that immediate action should be taken by the department concerned for the expeditious investigation of cases of this type, and responsibility fixed upon the government servants concerned. Full stop. Next para. Instructions have also been issued from time to time impressing upon all government servants that in the event of loss, government would rigidly enforce pecuniary liability against them. Full stop. I am now to request you again to see that cases involving financial liability of government receive your personal attention, and these are handled by all concerned at the highest possible priority so as to eliminate any chance of loss due to delayed action. Full stop. Next para. I am to add that all the officers and staff under you should be reminded of their responsibility in the matter, and also informed that in case of default, government is determined not only to recover the loss incurred, if any, fully from them, but also to take the strictest possible action against those who are found guilty of negligence of duty in this behalf. Full stop. With a view to remedy the situation to which the committee has drawn attention, it has been once again considered necessary to impress upon you that the cases involving financial irregularities committed by government employees should be investigated as soon as they come to your notice, and timely action should be taken against all the delinquents. Full stop. Next para. I am to request that these instructions should also be brought to the notice of all concerned stop.